That was a good one.
Hello. Welcome to my channel. I don't want to say that. I actually don't want to say that. Hiya, going to do another tutorial for you. And I'm going to do a Valentine's Day one because it's February 2020. So hopefully this will be up before Valentine's Day. I'm going to do my base off camera and my eyebrows off camera and everything that you've seen before. Link back to my first video, which is my step-by-step video if you want to see how I do my base and block my brows and what I use. I will list the products down below of what I do use. And this one should be fun. Like this video if you want to. If you're not liking it yet, just wait, and then you might even want to subscribe to this channel, which will encourage me to make more videos. I'm gonna keep trying because makeup is like my therapy. Whatever, just get on with it. I'm back. I've done my base, I've done my brows, I've got my lenses in, you know the drill. I feel like I've been still for so long. I've done a bit of a fluffier brow this time. Just put a few more little bits and flicks and stuff on there, as you can see. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my Louise base in 0.5. Back of the hand, Kryolan number 10, same shit, different day, and go in. And I'm just going to blend it out with my Peaches and Cream PC23. Other eye, obviously. But my Stacey MUA Carnival Palette. We're going to do like pinky peachy. Morphe M456. I'm going to go in with Foolish. Proper peachy baby pinky colour. Sketch out the crease. Kind of stamping the colour in just so they've got that base. Winging it right out like this. And then to blend above this pink, I'm taking the Peaches and Cream PC47, going into Pillow Talk, like an off-white colour. Blending above, really lightly. With this little bullet pencil brush into Funky. And go back in with the Morphe M456 back into Foolish just to blend above that colour. We're going to go in with the Morphe M419 is the shade Influence, which is like a really deep burgundy. I'm right into the crease line here. And when we've laid that down, let's blend with the first brush. With blending eyeshadow, I usually just go in back and forth until I'm like happy with the blend. There's no set way of doing it, but I just go back and forth with each brush that I use until I'm happy. It usually takes me about 15-20 minutes to get my top eyeshadow down. Let's go a little bit darker into Reckless, which is a really dark plum shade. Okay, cool. I'm happy with that, I think. Let's cut the crease. So I'm going to cut my crease with the dermocolour Camouflage Cream D170, which is basically pure white, which is pure white. Kryolan number 10. Wow. Everyone is sleeping on these Kryolan brushes. They're so good. Use stamping motions like this instead of swiping, because sometimes you disturb more of the colour. I mean, if that's not a waste of time, I don't know what the fuck is. When I'm cutting my crease, I keep my eyes open so that when I'm looking straight forward, you can still see the crease line that I made. Get that inner corner. And the other one. Just while we've got the dermocolour, I'm going to go on my lower waterline. Right, because dermocolours not a self-setting product, I'm going to go in with a bit of translucent powder. I'm patting it all over where I've laid down that dermocolour. And now I'm going to go into my lower lash line. I'm going to mix Foolish and Funky. Ooh. Get comfy, get a little Morphe M506. Go back in with Foolish and blend it out. I can get rid of my bake actually. Going back with that angled brush into Influence. Last colour, Reckless. Tiny angled brush. And deepen the crease. Good, happy with that. Eyeliner. Eyeliner routine hasn't changed, it's still the MAC Black Track. A tiny little MAC 236 brush, and then I'll go over it with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, that'll do for liner. I'm not very good at eyeliner. But then you stick a lash on and it's fine-ish. Glitter. I didn't know whether to go with like a silver or a gold, so I went with both. I've mixed them. I've taken just MAC silver glitter in the shade silver and MAC gold in the shade gold. And I've mixed them together and stuck them in a little sample pot like this. So I'm going to paint some eyelash glue onto my lid. Oh, that's a lot. Shit. Kryolan number 10 brush. I've got like 5 of these. And paint it on where you want the glitter. Let that dry for like a couple minutes just to let it go a little bit tacky. I'm going to get my index finger and pat on the glitter. Brush away the excess glitter. Yes. And last thing I want to do with the eye sort of situation is take some rhinestones and I want to line them along my crease line. I'm going to take a liner brush with some eyelash glue and just dot where I want the rhinestones to go. Take my little white eyeliner, tap the top of the rhinestone, slap it on. Ooh, yes. Fuck it, I'm doing 8 on each eye. That's amazing. And the other side. Let's do some lashes. I'm going to use these lashes, which are the Tatti lashes and MMMMitchell. They're not as long as I usually wear because I want to like keep all this. Okay, there's quite a lot of glue on there. I'll leave those to dry for a few minutes. Curl my lashes. Mascara. Bronzer. Pardon me. My Marc Jacobs Tantric fluffy dome brush like this. I don't want to do too much contouring because I'm going to do a lot of that with blush, as you'll see. The jaw and the nose. This is a Morphe 135. Underneath, I do like a matte powder highlight. I'm going to get my Charlotte Tilbury powder in number 2. And I'm actually going to take a sponge there on the forehead, down the sides of the nose and under the eyes. Yes. We're under the contour that I've put down. Yes. And then just sort of go over where I bronzed to blend it out a little bit. I'm going to take my middle finger with the Charlotte Tilbury powder right on the tip of the nose and down, just like that. Love that. Okay, blush. I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow actually, and that eyeshadow is going to be Foolish, what I did my eyeshadow with. Right on the top of the apples of the cheeks and along sort of above the contour line. Little pan, big brush. Not a good idea. On the sides of the forehead and over the nose, of course. Peachy love. Anastasia Beverly Hills blusher and go on the orangey peachy colour. And the apples of the cheeks. Happy with that. Let's stick these lashes on. Let's highlight. I'm going to go in with some Pixie Glow Mist. I'm going to use an oldie but goodie, which is the Becca Champagne Pop, and it's all cracked. And I'm going to get my Morphe Y14. Such a nice peachy highlighter. Down the nose and on the tip. Great. I hope it works. I got these random like heart stickers from Amazon. Some of these ones, stick them on the back of my hand. Just 2 of them, just to get a bit of stick off them. Stick them just below my eye there. Okay, so they're there. Take a clean Morphe M506 Influence, which is like a dark pink colour, over the top of this sticker. I'm going to take a tweezer and peel off the sticker. I'm into it. Now, is it too much if I stick a rhinestone in the middle of it? No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm doing it. I'm going to do it. Tiny little pink one. Wink. Stick it there. So cute. I love that. Yes. Let's do a quick bottom lash and then we'll do the lips. Bottom lashes, as always, Mitchell and Tatti Under Lash. Lovely. Ooh, I had another highlighter blush situation that I wanted to try out. This Fenty one, Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. They're highlighters, but they're really pigmented. I'm gonna go in with the Sangria Sunset colour. Lips. I'm going to do a nude lip because there's a lot going on. So my standard nude lip consists of 2 Fenty liquid lipsticks in Unbutton, a lighter nude, and Unveil, like a dark chocolate tea nude. Let me get a tiny bit of concealer and just stick it right in the middle of my lips. Teeth check. And some setting spray. The Huda Beauty Resting Beach Face. Resting Boss Face. Oh, that smells. Okay, I finished the makeup. Ooh. I'm going to do my face tapes and put a wig on, and I'll be back. See you in a sec. Okay. It's the finished look. I'm happy with it. Well, my spin on a Valentine's Day look. This corset top is from House of CB. Choker is from Pretty Little Thing. And the hair is Webster Wigs, of course. It's an Amelia, but I've layered it and put a beach wave into it. I'm gonna do some chest highlight because why not? I'm gonna take some setting spray. Let's get that Fenty one. Going with the pink. Oh yes, on the shoulders. Just gonna mix them. Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, just the original one. It's turned out a little bit gothic. I'm happy with it. Hopefully I'll do the next one. Hey, I never know what to say at the end of these. Okay, bye.